At a recent shareholder event, Elon Musk made a jaw-dropping claim. Tesla's Optimus robots could propel the company to a staggering $25 trillion valuation. That's more than half the value of the entire S&P 500 today. So what's the big deal with Optimus? Musk envisions these humanoid robots doing everything from household chores to factory work, and even teaching your kids. Think R2-D2 and C-3PO from Star Wars, but in real life. But that's not all. Musk also revealed that Tesla's advancements in silicon technology have surpassed NVIDIA in machine learning inference. This means Tesla robots could potentially be smarter and more efficient than any we've seen before. The future is here, and it's got a $25 trillion potential. Are you ready for the Optimus revolution? Imagine a world where robots handle the mundane tasks, freeing up human creativity and innovation. From cleaning your home to cooking your meals, and even grocery shopping, the possibilities are endless. These robots could transform our cities, making them smarter and more efficient. And it's not just about convenience, it's about creating a sustainable future. With robots taking over repetitive tasks, we can focus on solving bigger problems like climate change and space exploration. The Optimus robots could be the key to unlocking new frontiers. So, as we stand on the brink of this technological revolution, one question remains. Are we ready to embrace the future that Elon Musk envisions? Stay tuned to see if Musk's vision becomes reality.